Viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Now we're going to show you how to make vegan Thai red curry. First of all, we're going to put some oil in the pan. Viewers, now I'm going to add my curry paste. Viewers, if they get little bit, if you see the spices get burned, you can add few tablespoons of water. Now I'm going to add all my vegetables. I got carrot, I got broccoli, I got cauliflower, and we got some mushroom. Whatever the vegetable you get, you can put it in. My vegetables are cooking away with the red spices. Now I'm going to season them. I'm going to add some salt because we didn't put any fish sauce to it. So basically it's going to be a little bit under seasoned. We have to add salt and pepper. Now we're going to add our coconut milk. Viewers, now they come to the boiling point. We're going to simmer them until the vegetables are cooked. It takes about 6 to 7 minutes. Viewers, my Thai red curry vegan version is ready. Now it's time to serve. We're going to serve it now. Viewers, that's my beautiful red vegan curry. And they look beautiful and they taste really delicious and yummy. Viewers, enjoy and bon appetit my beautiful vegan Thai red curry. Enjoy and bon appetit.